Can I remove someone from seeing my WhatsApp status without blocking them?
Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, we will address a common question: can I remove someone from seeing my WhatsApp status without blocking them? The answer is yes. WhatsApp has made it very straightforward to control who can view your status updates without having to block anyone. Let's dive right in.
What is WhatsApp status?
WhatsApp status is a feature that allows you to share text-based updates, photos, videos, and GIFs with your contacts that disappear after 24 hours. Your status updates will be visible to your contacts by default. But the good news is, WhatsApp gives you the flexibility to control who can see your status.
How can I control who sees my WhatsApp status?
If you want to prevent specific contacts from viewing your status updates, follow these steps. 1. Open WhatsApp and tap on the Status tab. 2. Click on Status Privacy. This might be in the Settings menu in the Status tab. 3. You'll find 3 options: My Contacts Accept, and Only Share With. 4. Select the My Contacts Accept option. 5. A list of your contacts will appear. Scroll to find the contact or contacts you want to exclude from seeing your status and tap on their name to select them. 6. Once you have selected all the contacts you wish to exclude, press Done or OK. Remember, these changes will only affect the status updates you post after you have made these adjustments. Any status updates you posted before changing these settings will still follow the original settings.
Can they know they've been excluded?
One common question that arises is, will the person know that they've been excluded from seeing your status? The answer is no. WhatsApp does not notify users when they've been excluded from viewing someone's status updates. So, you can adjust your status privacy settings without worrying about anyone being notified. There you have it. Now you know how to customize who can see your WhatsApp status updates without having to block anyone. This feature can be very useful in managing your privacy and comfort on WhatsApp. We hope this guide has been helpful and made your WhatsApp experience even better. Until next time, stay connected, stay secure.